Ever wondered about the health benefits of xylitol? This sweet substance, a sugar alcohol used as a sugar substitute, is not just a mouthful to pronounce but also packs a punch when it comes to potential health benefits. First up on our list is dental health. Unlike regular sugar, xylitol doesn't break down. This characteristic is a game changer in preventing cavities. It takes a stand against the growth of bacteria that cause tooth decay, promoting healthier smiles all around. Next, we'll look at blood sugar. Xylitol holds the lower ground on the glycemic index compared to sugar, causing a slower increase in blood sugar levels. This might make it the new best friend for those living with diabetes, offering a sweet alternative that doesn't spike blood sugar as intensely. For those on a journey towards weight management, xylitol might be a worthy companion. With fewer calories than sugar, it can sneak into your foods and beverages, offering a sweet escape without the guilt. Now let's venture into the realm of bone health. Some studies suggest that xylitol might be a secret ally for your bones. It's thought to have positive effects on bone density, potentially contributing to stronger, healthier bones. We'll round off our list of benefits with ear and sinus health. Xylitol has been linked to reducing the risk of ear and sinus infections. The theory suggests that it might prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, keeping those pesky infections at bay. However, remember the golden rule of moderation. While xylitol is a star player in these areas, excessive consumption may lead to digestive issues like gas, bloating, or diarrhea. It's all about finding that sweet spot, so why not give xylitol a try? Replace that sugar in your morning coffee, or perhaps try a xylitol-infused toothpaste. And once you've experienced the benefits of this sweet substitute, don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. We're eager to hear about your journey with xylitol, and don't forget to subscribe and share for more enlightening videos like this one. Until next time, here's to your health.